Welcome to Smart Paper. This tutorial provides a guide on how to insert and format equations and scientific expressions using our advanced editor. We will now demonstrate the primary functions of the Math Insertion tool. First, to begin, select the Insert Math function from the toolbar. This will open the expression editor. The editor provides a comprehensive virtual keyboard. You can navigate through multiple layouts to access numerals, operators, Greek letters, and other scientific symbols required for your expressions. To create a superscript for notations such as exponents, use the keyboard shortcut Shift plus the 6 key. Similarly, for a subscript used in chemical formulas and other notations, the shortcut is Shift plus the minus key. To insert a matrix, right-click within the expression editor to open the Context menu. Navigate to Insert Matrix and select the desired dimensions. Once inserted, you can populate the cells with the required values. The matrix borders can also be customized. From the Context menu, select Borders to choose between parentheses, brackets, or other available styles. For efficient symbol insertion, you may use command codes. Type a backslash, followed by the name of the symbol, for instance, \triangle or \theta. The system will automatically render the corresponding symbol. Beyond equations, the editor also supports the insertion of tables for data organization. Select the Insert Table icon from the main toolbar. You can then add or remove rows and columns as needed to structure your content appropriately. Thank you for watching.